hood, you hear sirens and semis pop. Judah keep vexing Ephraim, when will the envy stop? No love for any cops, that's what got Kenny shot. Y'all drinking Henny shots, I'm investing in penny stocks. They give me props, rapping, teaching, debating, unity.
Yeah, because those are also curses that fell upon our people and whatnot. Because think about it. Whenever y'all have Section 8 or whatnot, or if y'all have food stamps, the man can't be in the house. Why is that? Because the so-called white men in these other nations, they want to run the thing. Exactly, sister. So, hey, you got a little zeal on you. Hey, but go ahead, bring this up.
The book of Jeremiah, chapter 31, verse 22. How long wilt thou go about, O thou backsliding daughter?
Oh, thou backsliding what?
O thou backsliding daughter.
Going into Israel ultimately. Go ahead, read on.
For the Lord had created a new thing in the earth.
What's this new thing?
A woman shall compass a man.
A woman shall what?
A woman shall compass a man.
You know, sure enough, hey, women are compass a man because they talking about, hey, I'm independent. I don't need no nigga. Hey, I can take care of these kids by myself. But one thing y'all can't forget. It's a what? But at the same time, why do y'all put these men on child support? I'm just saying in general, as a nation, not just you. I'm talking about as a nation-wide. Hey, we at the highest rate of child support is on us. Why is that? But sister, it's not just about you, it's about our nation, sister.
That's right.
Go ahead, read it from the chat.
The book of Jeremiah, chapter 31, verse 22 from the top. How long wilt thou go about, O thou backsliding daughter? For the Lord hath created a new thing in the earth. A woman shall compass a man.
That's it. Yeah, because think about it. Y'all say that y'all don't need a nigga, but one thing you can't do, if you have a boy or whatnot, you can't teach him how to be a man. You got to have a man in the household. Let me ask you, do you have children? You got 2 boys? So can you really teach them how to be a man? You can't. So let me get, matter of fact, let me get Deuteronomy 28 and 54 while we're on this, man. Yeah, 28:54. Go ahead, bring this up.
Book of Deuteronomy, chapter 28, verse 54. So that the man that is tender among you and very delicate.
Because that's what we bringing up in society today. When single parent households and whatnot, we bringing up tender and delicate men, man. That's why when you got men out here, hey, if you accidentally step on a brother's shoe, he ready to kill you or whatnot. Hey, that's why brothers out here just shoot each other for no reason, over colors or whatnot. But we don't.
His eyes shall be evil towards his brother.
His eyes shall what?
Shall be evil towards his brother.
This is what happens when you have single parent households. But read on.
And towards the wife of his bosom.
And towards what?
And towards the wife of his bosom.
Hey, even though I love some Zero, man, hey, he hate his damn baby mama because of what she did to him. Right. But hey, that's wrong though. But read on.
And towards the remnant of his children.
Towards what?
And towards the remnant of his children.
There's nothing wrong with like raising a gentle man though.
Sister, I'm gonna tell you. It is something wrong with it. Like, you could be gentle or whatnot, but he can't be effeminate, sister.
Right.
Why? Why not? You gotta be able to tap into your most feminine.
Yeah, go ahead and bring this up.
Your most masculine. Like, I have to be able to tap into my most masculine.
Sister, no, you're supposed to be effeminate. The man is meant to be masculine.
That's
sister.
right.
And then what about like when all y'all get wiped out and I get left like alone on the planet or something?
You're right. It is gonna be a lot of us that's gonna be wiped out, but we still gonna be here.
Right. But I'm saying there's nothing wrong with raising a gentle individual.
A gentle man?
No kind of violence.
The Most High God is all about violence, though.
People like promote it too. I think that I don't know. I think that I know it sounds silly.
You know what you messed up on? You said I think. What does the Most High God say?
Right, bring it out, huh?
But did God really say that? That book
Did he?
is rewritten 500,000
Let's go ahead and give Psalms 68 and 11.
Bring it out.
Let's show you because you think do you think the Most High God is all about love and kisses?
I'm pretty sure that
Sister, answer the question. Answer the question. Do you think the Most High God is all about love and kisses? Do you think he loved everybody?
I don't think that love
Exodus 15 and 3, man.
Love can't be measured. It's just an energy.
It's
the
an
only
energy?
thing that God gave us in common with him.
Does he? Okay, does he hate also? Does he hate also? Or does he just love all the time?
I'm pretty sure he might hate. That's right.
Bring it out.
Okay, then. Let's go ahead and bring this out.
This is the book of Exodus, chapter 15, verse 3. The Lord is a man of war.
The Lord is what?
The Lord is a man of war.
Sister, that's one.
But
Like, because if he's a man of war, so what you think we're going to be doing? We going with the so-called Edomite or the so-called white man, should I say?
Word of mouth. Like, you don't know who wrote that book, really.
We do know. 6 to 8 and 11.
The book of Psalms, chapter 68, verse 11. The Lord gave the word.
Who?
The Lord gave the word.
So who gave the word?
The Lord gives the word every day to me. Like, how.
What is this, sister?
Like, through the
What
birds,
is
through the
this?
trees, through the wind.
You're right, but what is this?
That is just text. Are you so
Go ahead and read
stupid?
this again.
Can you even be
The
so
Lord
stupid?
gave the
Like
word.
that?
Who gave the
Like
word?
that?
The Lord gave the word.
This is his word, so what are you talking about,
Who is
sister?
the Lord?
The Most High God, the Black
Who is the
Messiah,
Lord?
well, should I say the creator of all things and whatnot?
Yourself?
No, the Most High God.
Yourself?
So do you think you're a God?
I am you and you are me and we're one.
Hell no, we're not. Go ahead and bring this out.
The Lord gave the word. Great was the company of those that published it.
Great was what?
The company of those that published it.
Because when it goes into great was the company of those that published it, it's going into the men, the God-fearing men that wrote this Bible and whatnot. But the Most High God gave the word.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Were you there?
No, I wasn't. But hey,
In the
let's go ahead and give me
beginning,
do it.
like, in the very beginning, like,
Let me do it on the 32.
it says this book has been interpreted 500,000 times.
It's been interpreted.
It does.
But yeah, you have different translations and whatnot, because do you know why it was interpreted? Well, or should I say translated that many times? It's because we went into captivity after captivity after captivity. Give me Jeremiah 17 and 9. 17 of what you call it?
They give me a book.
Uh-huh.
And I have to do what the book says because the Lord, the guard says I have to do this.
Go ahead, bring this up.
The book of Baruch, chapter 4, verse 1. This is the book of the commandment of God.
Read that again.
This is the book of the commandments of God.
The Most High God, He gave us this book.
I'm pretty sure God just wants to be kind and try to do the right thing.
But it just said that He a man of war, so make up your mind.
I mean, everybody makes mistakes. That was somebody else. I didn't decide that.
Sister, you all over the place. Go ahead and read it.
In the law that endureth forever.
For how long?
Forever.
How long?
Forever.
So, sister, more of the story, we got to keep the law, statutes, and commandments. I'm leaving it at that, man.
Forever isn't real.
Forever isn't real.
Time isn't real.
Sister, so when you die, where you going to go?
I'm gonna live forever.
You gonna live forever?
My buddy Jesus.
You're not going to live forever. If you ain't keeping His commandments, you're going to be in the lake of fire.
No.
That's right.
Go ahead.
All they that keep it shall come to life.
All they that what?
All they that keep it shall come to life.
So all they that keep His commandments shall come to life. But read on.
But such as leave it shall die.
Shall what?
Shall die.
Shall what?
Shall die.
So, sister, even right now, you are spiritually dead,
Well,
sister.
brother, you know Jesus conquered death a long ass time ago.
Did he?
Yeah, he did conquer it.
He
and
died
that's
himself,
why-
sister.
Yeah, and he conquered it. That's why he came back to life.
Hey, let's go ahead and get that Revelations, because death is nowhere, it ain't nowhere to be extinct, man. Death is still here.
Yeah, and you can conquer it just like Jesus did.
How you gonna conquer it?
You wake the fuck up. I don't know how
You
he did
asleep,
it.
sister.
He talked to God every day. That's
Go
how
ahead, bring this up.
Ain't going nowhere. This is Proverbs chapter 9:13.
it
A
up.
foolish woman is clamoring.
Foolish what?
A foolish woman is clamoring.
Sister, you leaning on your own understanding
No,
right
here's America, like just calling women foolish. And we
now.
just
Sister, you is. Because you going based off your own understanding.
Because you're going based on a book a white man wrote for you.
A white man.
Yeah.
Okay, if it's a white man's book, let's go ahead and get Revelation 13 and 9, man. Because you know
that
the,
wasn't black.
I get
I'm saying
that.
a white man wrote that.
He did? You sure? So if he wrote this, why is this in here, man?
The book of Revelation, chapter 13, verse 9. If any man have an ear, let him hear. He that leads to captivity.
We're going to stop right there. Who led a race of people into captivity, man? Who put our people on slave ships, man?
I know women like Esther.
Who kills our people on the daily, man?
I know Esther people out that shit.
I'm talking, who kills, as a nation of people, who kills our people, man?
What was Aaron's sister's name?
I'm not talking about that. Let's stay on
They left their
subject.
people as
Who let?
slavery.
No,
Yeah,
I know, I get that. We talking about Moses when he let his people out. I'm talking. No, sister, you all over the place. Let's stay on subject. Who? What nation of people led our people into captivity? Who put us into slavery, man? Thank you. So let's go ahead and read this out.
He that leadeth to captivity shall go into captivity.
What?
Shall go into captivity.
Any person that led a person into captivity, they got to go into captivity.
Our founding fathers did.
Sister, let's stay on subject.
You know, other countries, they talk about
Go ahead, read it out.
Holocaust.
He that killeth with the
Hey,
sword.
forget them fake bastards in our homeland. Give me Revelation 2 and 9, man. Because do you think they the real Jews or we the real Jews? Are they the real Jews or we the real Jews? See, you going all over that. We don't.
He that killeth with the sword must be killed with the sword.
What?
must be killed with the sword.
So more of the story, the so-called white man, he get killed off the face of this planet, man. He gonna serve us for 1,000. It matters because do you think God loves everybody?
I think that
Do you think God loves everybody?
acknowledging color.
Do you think God loves everybody? Do you think God loves everybody?
I know.
Do you think God loves everybody? Does he? Give me Romans 9:13, man.
It don't mean it's true.
This is the book of the commandments of God. The Most High God gave us this. I'm sure, I'm positive. I live by it on a daily. You know that? And I don't go, I live my best life in this truth more than my 22 years or should I say 20 years in the world or whatnot, man. Go ahead, bring this up.
The book of Romans chapter 3, verse 3. For what some did not believe, shall the unbelief make the faith of God go without effect?
So he's saying, hey, so what if you don't believe in this book? What if you don't believe in this book? Shall your unbelief make the word of God uneffective? Go ahead, read on.
God forbid.
God what?
God forbid.
Hell no. So sister, what is your nationality?
Fear in you. All that is fear being like
So would you rather fear the Most High? Would you rather fear the Most High God or fear the man?
And like slaughter.
Would you rather fear the Most High God or man?
I'd rather fear like nobody.
So
I'd rather not have fear in my
you mean
heart.
Matthew 12:36? Because hey, that's some crazy stuff that you're saying. Let me ask you, what's your nationality? Are you a so-called Mexican American?
No, I'm not.
Are you a so-called white woman?
I'm American.
What is your nationality? What is your race?
What's it matter?
Okay, matter of fact, step back there. Is this your dude?
No.
What is he?
Friend, I just met
Hey,
him.
brother, what's your nationality, man? 'Cause I'm good. You Hispanic? Thank you, brother. So this is for you, sis.
What does it matter?
It matters because, hey, this determines if you get salvation or your ass gonna go to the lake of fire. If he's servitude to us.
I doubt it.
Okay, keep on doubting, man. Your ass gonna be in captivity. But go ahead.
This is the book of Matthew, chapter 12, verse 36. But I say unto you that every idle word,
Every what?
every idle word,
Everything that's coming out your mouth, you better rethink yourself, sis. You better bethink yourself, sister, because hey, the shit you saying, hey, you gonna be put into the lake of fire. But go ahead.
that men shall speak, they shall give account thereof in the day of judgment.
The day of what?
In the day of judgment.
The day of judgment. Remember this very moment. Hey, forget the Quran. The Quran is toilet paper to us, man. We believe in the Most High God's book, man. Go ahead, bring this up.
This is Matthew chapter 12, verse 36. But I say unto you that every idle word,
Everything that you saying at your mouth right now, read on.
that men shall speak, they shall give account thereof in the day.
In the day of what?
In the day of
In
judgment.
the day of what?
In the day of judgment.
Why? Because I choose to like write it.
Yeah, the Quran is
That's
trash,
why it
man.
says that. You know what?
Why would you say that, bro? Bring it
So
up.
let me tell you, whenever y'all say that y'all don't eat pork, right?
I definitely
Because did the Most High God right there, or did y'all false God Allah right there? Yeah, he did. What color is Allah wearing now? He don't have no color. Hey, but our God has a color. Who raised that sun up and who raised that moon up, man? Who do all these things?
Like as long as you like keep acknowledging it, it will always exist.
Look at sis, repent, or your ass gonna die, man.
Fuck
But
you.
go ahead.
Jesus loves
There it
me
is.
through and through. That's my day one.
You said
I'm just like
Allah,
him.
you said Allah has no color, right? Hey, we're gonna let the Most High God be true. Every man alive. Hey, I'll praise to the Most High God, Yahweh, man.
That's right.
And his son Yahweh shot. But go ahead and bring this up.
The book of Psalms, chapter 96, verse 4. For the Lord is great.
For the Lord is what?
For the Lord is great.
The Most High God, Yahweh.
And greatly to be praised.
And great what?
And greatly to be praised.
It didn't say nothing about no damn Allah, man.
That's right,
That
that's
false
right.
God, man, hey, he can't do nothing, man. But our God, hey, he raised that sun up, man. He wake your ass up in the morning, man. But read on.
He is to be feared above all gods.
What?
He is to be feared above all gods.
Allah.
All gods. All gods.
So, hey, every God that y'all come with, best believe that our God is above every last one of them guys.
For our gods are a nation, or an idol, or idol,
Allah.
or idol,
Allah.
or idol.
Hey, Allah is a false idol, man.
But the Lord made the heaven. But the Lord made the heaven.
Hey, who did Allah? What did Allah do, man? I got you. What did Allah do? What did Allah do? Did he create everything? Did he create everything? If you're going to talk to me, come at the Bible, man. Come, wherever you going to come at us. Hey, I don't want to hear your words. I want to hear the Most High God's words, man.
In the Most High God, in your Most High God book, it says, ye are God. It's Psalm 82.
And what else?
Right?
It said, ye shall die like men, right?
Right? And he said, Yahweh was in the assembly of the
So
gods.
how you going to be a God? How you going to be a God? Most High God.
Alhamdulillah.
No, not no damn Allah, man. The Most High God, Yahweh, man. But go ahead,
Look at Psalm 115, verse 4. Their idols are silver and gold.
What?
Their idols are silver and gold.
That's pretty much what Allah is, silver and gold, man. But we don't.
The work of men's hands.
The work of who?
The work of men's hands.
Hey, the work of the man's hands, man, because y'all create them in y'all damn head. But go ahead.
They have mouths, but they speak not.
They have what?
They have mouths, but they speak not.
Because one thing about it, I never heard a Muslim say that Allah spoke to me, man. Have y'all? But go ahead, read on.
Eyes have they, but they see not.
But they what?
But they see not.
Read on.
They have ears, but they hear not. Nose have they, but they smell not.
But they what?
But they smell not. They have hands, but they handle not. Feet have they, but they walk not. Neither spake they through their growth. They that make them are like unto them.
Are like what?
Are like unto them.
Hey, you want to worship Allah? Hey, you going to be just like it to him, man. But read on.
So is everyone that trusteth in them. So is everyone that trusteth in them.
Go ahead. Go ahead, read the Bible. Where? Right there? Go ahead.
This is the book of James, chapter 1, verse 8. A double-minded man is unstable in all his ways.
Read that again.
A double-minded man is unstable in all his ways.
You double-minded as hell, man. You say that you serve the Most High God, Yahweh, but at the same time, you serving Allah, man. Sister, you bringing the Bible out? I thought it was the one man. You bringing the Bible. Give me Jeremiah 17:9, man. What you got? Go ahead, finish it.
The book of Isaiah, chapter 45, verse 7. I form the light and create darkness.
Who do this?
I form the light and create darkness.
Most High God, hey, he create darkness and he form light, man. But read on.
I make peace.
He do what?
I make peace and create evil.
He create what?
And create evil.
He do what?
And create evil. I, the Lord, do all these things.
Who?
I, the Lord, do all these things.
So, hey, anything that's in this earth right now, best believe the Most High God did it, man. What you looking for? Sister, what you looking for? What you looking for?
Definition of religion?
A religion?
Yeah,
This-
what religion?
Give me Sirach 17:11, man.
Spirituality.
Hey, because the one thing about it, it's not no religion, sister. This is our heritage. Oh, you didn't know that? What is religion? What you should know this. You know the word religion comes from the Latin word religio, which means to hide, to restrict. I got you. Let me get the last precept. Go ahead.
The book of Sirach, chapter 17, verse 11. Besides this, he gave them knowledge.
He did what?
He gave them knowledge.
Now this is going to the law, statutes, commandments. But read on.
In the law of life.
And the law of what?
In the law of life.
Read on.
For inheritance.
For what?
For inheritance.
For what?
For inheritance.
So, sister, this is our heritage, man. Forget a religion.
That's right. He made an everlasting covenant with them and showed them his judgment.
His what?
His judgment.
Hey, more of the story. Sister, you better repent or your ass gonna
That's
die.
right.
Hey, but repent, never say shalom, man.
Good job, man. Good job, man.